Hello everyone, I have the MIDAS HUB4. These are for your personal monitor mixers, the DP48s, also by MIDAS. I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on those. First of all, you want to make sure you have your USB cable plugged up. It is a USB A to B. So after you have your cable plugged up to your laptop, what you want to do is you want to hold in ports 1 and 2 and then just turn on the power button and then release the power button, and then once you get those lights, then you can release those two. Okay, so now that you're on your computer, you can download a software called Simply Put. Once you download and install it, you can open it up. All right, now that it's open, what it'll do is automatically communicate with your device. It'll tell you what your current firmware version is, and then at the bottom, it'll tell you what the most up-to-date firmware version is, which is 2.9. Now, my mistake I made here was by hitting this update, you're using the internet to update your firmware. The problem I had was when I did that, I lost internet. Well, when I did, it locked up my device. So what I had to do was turn off the device, turn it back on, and go through this process again. So what I recommend is go into the top up here to File, and then you can go to Download Files, and then choose MIDAS HUB4, and then you can download the latest version, 2.9. So once you click on that, it'll take a second, and then just select your folder wherever you want the folder to be. The file to be, you just select your folder and then hit save. And then it'll tell you file has been updated or downloaded successfully. Then what you want to do is just click on File again, go to Local File. Now you can choose the file you just downloaded, which is 2.9. Just click on that. You can double click or hit Open. And then now it's telling you the current version and update to version 2.9. And then hit Update, and it's going to automatically update the firmware for you. All right, now it's complete. So now you just hit close. The Hub4 will automatically reboot, and that's all. So please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.